Greetings and salutations, YouTube. It's Hadrian here. Welcome to a new video. How's everyone doing today? I hope you guys are all doing fantastic. Now, this is going to be another installment of the series that I'm doing with the Orange County Goodwill, where I'm transforming different spaces in my house using the same thrifted items that I got from the Goodwill. And I am super excited for this one. Now, this one is our outdoor dining area. Now, this is actually all thrifted from the Goodwill. I have the dining table, which I upcycled. The top was damaged and I redid it using a large marble sticker. And then, and I think I thrifted that table for $40. And it's really cool. It's very like modern looking. And I sprayed the legs with this like outdoor protectant coating or whatever. I actually have no clue exactly what it is. I just know that it was like an outdoor protective coating thing that I could spray on there. And then I have 4 outdoor chairs that I got from the Goodwill as well, those white ones. And they are amazing because I got them for, I think they were $10 or $15 each. I honestly don't even remember. I've had them for a little while, but they only had 4. So what I want to do is I want to just change this up just a tad bit. Remember, if you watched the haul video or any of the other transformation videos, I do have 2 chairs that are going to look perfect, flanking each end of the table. I think it's going to look fantastic. Then we'll do a cute little table-scape in the middle, and I don't know, perhaps we'll do a rug as well. So I'm super excited. Let's get started with this little makeover. Okay, so this is kind of how it's looking with just the carpet, and honestly the carpet is so fantastic. I am so obsessed with this carpet. It makes me so happy. This table is not completely center, but it's okay. It's okay, right? No, it's okay. We'll just pretend that it is. It's like slightly too far. We'll just, yeah. But now let's bring in the other elements that are going to really make this space pop. Alright, you guys, so this is how it's looking, but you know what? I think we need a final touch, and I think we need these faux botanicals right there. And there we go. I think that looks perfect. So I love it, love it, love it, love it so much. Okay, I had to zhuzh up the flowers just a little bit. It was just a little too flat, and I wanted to look a little taller and a little bit more asymmetrical. Anyway, so here it is. Oh my gosh, I am so happy. I am proud to say that this whole entire area is thrifted from Orange County Goodwill, and though I didn't get like the table and the 4 white chairs at the same time, they're still thrifted and I love them. Also the flowers are thrifted, but I got those at another time as well. But so here we are. I just love, again, we're playing with the colors. We have the blue, yellow, or blue, white, and orange from those pelican pillows right here, and you see it through the whole thing. There's even some yellow and orange inside the flowers, and it is just, I just really like it, and I hope you guys do too. So again, we are just playing with colors and textures. The faux, like the faux marble table with the grays and the whites, and then the natural wood. The natural wood goes with our side chairs that we just got. Again, those were 2 for $40. The pillows were about $1.50 each. The vases, I think they range from $9 to $5. And then the faux botanicals, I think, were $7. And so let me do some math and figure out how much this whole little look cost. Okay guys, so it came out to about under $200. It was $187, and that is for the 6 chairs, 6 pillows, 3 vases, flowers, and for the carpet. So that is crazy. So under this whole thing is under $200, a nice outdoor oasis where you can just sit and relax and eat and be with your friends and family and just enjoy being outside. And though there is a lot of construction noises right now, which I do apologize profusely for, and the wind, that's another factor, but I am just really happy with how this whole little thing turned out. So again, I think for pretty much all the videos so far, I have used those 2 chairs. Some of the pillows, I've used the vases in 2 different things. So many, like, it's just so awesome. So everything has just like just looks beautiful, and I'm so excited for this. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know down below if you guys love thrifting your spaces as well. And let me know what your last project was. Did you do an outdoor space, living room, kitchen, dining room, bedroom? Let me know. And don't forget to subscribe, because I have a lot more makeovers waiting for you guys with this little collaboration that I'm doing with the Orange County Goodwill. And don't forget to subscribe to them as well. They have a YouTube channel. They have an Instagram, OC Goodwill. I have it linked all down below in the description box as well. And don't forget to check out today's vlog. It goes up at 2. I love you guys so much. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys all later.